Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. Got a delivery mileage 72 plate Volkswagen Transporter long wheelbase with the DSG gearbox here to walk you around today. In the most popular colour, pure grey. This one's a 150 PS model. It's a great balance of performance and fuel economy. Got a lovely factory spec, and as you can see, it's got our MASV styling kit on it, with the lower front splitter and also the gloss black pack with contrasting matte badges. 20-inch gloss black velour wheels on this one. Uniroyal Rain Sport tyres all round, and it's been lowered 30mm on genuine VW lowering springs. Sidebars and roof rails too, and it's had the rear windows fully privacy tinted. Now moving inside, this one's got our expensive sport seats upgrade option. So two-tone sport seats in light grey inners with black leather outers. It's all Italian nappa. These are bespoke to order. It's a very expensive set of seats, lovely and comfortable, and obviously aesthetically extremely pleasing. This one's got Google Maps nav through App Connect. Heated front seats, front and rear park sensors, and adaptive cruise control too. Now it's got twin sliding doors, and these doors are power latching, so when you close them, if you haven't quite pulled it hard enough, it'll just latch the door in for you, so no danger of leaving it open. 2+1 rear seat as well, so you have got access to the rear compartment. And as you can see, it's been fully carpet lined throughout and suede lining with LED downlighters on the ceiling. We've got two downlighters in the tailgate too, which is perfect for loading at night. As you can see, that's the power latching in action. MASV detailing just subtly around the vehicle, nothing over the top. Same on the rear here. Got the high level rear spoiler and carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector too, in addition to the rear sensors. This one we also specified a rear camera on, so it's another factory option. Long wheelbase, so 40 centimetres longer than your standard short wheelbase. And if you're thinking about things you can fit inside, you can fit adult mountain bikes in straight on without having to turn the wheel or take any wheels off. They will go straight on. Just turn the handlebars to the side and you can stack them side by side. So really good amount of room in the back there. I'll just give you another look at the seats here. Power fold mirrors is another standard thing on this. We have upgraded it with a beautiful carbon leather steering wheel. That's got the matching grey stitching to go with the grey of the vehicle. Just 38 miles covered from brand new. So delivery mileage vehicle, literally just registered to us, and then we've done our bits to it. This is of course a VAT qualifying vehicle, so anybody purchasing through a VAT registered business may be able to claim some or all of the VAT back on their VAT return. Part exchanges are welcomed, and we can offer finance facilities for both business and personal clients. You'll see the full advert with 20+ photos and a written description at martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. And if you've got any questions, you want to have a chat with us about it, please do get in touch. Thanks for watching.